In 2008, millions of people lost their homes. Banks collapsed. The global economy nearly broke. But here's the scary part. This crisis didn't start with a crash. In the early 2000s, owning a home in America became easier than ever. Banks were handing out mortgages to almost anyone. Didn't have a stable income? No problem. Bad credit? Still approved. These risky loans were called subprime mortgages, loans given to people who had a high chance of not paying them back. And the system encouraged it. Mortgage brokers made money for every loan they signed, not for whether it was repaid. But here's where things got dangerous. Banks didn't keep these risky loans. They sold them. They bundled thousands of mortgages together into financial products called mortgage-backed securities. Then they sold them to investors around the world. Even worse, these products were rated as safe by rating agencies. So pension funds, banks, and governments invested billions, thinking they were low risk. In reality, the system was built on loans that many people could never repay. As more people got loans, demand for houses exploded, and prices skyrocketed. People started buying homes not to live in, but to flip them for profit. It became a belief: housing prices only go up. That belief created a bubble. Then everything changed. Interest rates started rising. Monthly payments increased. Millions of homeowners suddenly couldn't afford their mortgages. They stopped paying. And when people stopped paying, the entire system began to collapse. Those safe investments suddenly worthless. Major banks like Lehmann Brothers collapsed. Financial institutions around the world were on the edge. This wasn't just a housing crisis anymore. It became a global financial meltdown. The последствия were devastating. Over 10 million Americans lost their homes. Unemployment surged. More than $10 trillion in wealth disappeared. Entire economies slowed down. Businesses closed. People lost their life savings. So, what did we learn? The crisis showed one brutal truth. When risk is hidden, and everyone believes it can't fail, it usually will. It also revealed how deeply connected the global financial system really is. The 2008 crash wasn't just history. It was a warning. And the real question is, could it happen again? Subscribe for more breakdowns of the biggest events that shaped our world.